welcome to Healthy Food Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you on how to prepare nutritious, lovely and homely made pap. Okay, let's get started. Here are my recipes. We have the millets, we have the Guinea corn, and we also have uda and ginger. Well, this is not the one I'm actually using. You see the size I'm using for the pap for today. Thank you. Here you can see the uda and ginger that I'm using. We have the Guinea corn and millet soaked for 2 to 3 days. And after that, you can see it's ready to grind. These are the ginger and uda inside of it, the quantity I'm using for the pap. Then time to wash. After grinding, you do the washing. And before you do the washing, you mix with plenty of water to give you a free, easy wash. Okay, you can see I'm washing the pap. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to divide it because of the quantity I have there. Like I said earlier, the pap is about 2.5 rubber I'm washing, so it's quite much. So I'm dividing it for easy wash. See, I've finished dividing it, and I've added my water into the bowl that I'm using. Believe me, when you're adding your water, please do try to put plenty of water that will free the corn. You free it properly, let it be very light for you for easy washing. Don't forget, for easy washing, you just put plenty of water. Then you can now start the washing. Mix properly. You can see my bag I'm using. If you know how easy this pattern is, dear, believe me, that's another thing you need to catch in this video. Believe me, a lot of persons don't know this pattern. You need to try it, give it a trial, and you see how fast and easy it is for you to achieve your pap in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm about to start the washing. I'm putting it into the bag. I'm about to start the washing, so you can see the washing process. It's a beautiful one and a very easy doing one. Oh, okay guys, please don't mind the environment you're seeing, because whenever I have plenty of order like this, I do it outside my house because this thing can be very messy. Guys, let me throw a little light on why I'm using ginger and uda. The English name of uda is Negro pepper. The reason I'm using both of them is they prevent the pap from having a bad smell. They are good for the stomach. They help the pap to last longer, and it also gives it a nice fragrance. Guys, if you think you love what you're seeing, please guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? That is the finishing of the work. Yeah, you can see the shaft we have there. Okay, see why I'm touching it? I just wanted to know if it's still milky, you can still do a wash of it again, and plenty of milk will still come out. But if you think you wash it properly, you're good to go. Okay, yeah, after that, this is what we have. Those are the result of the palp we had. After keeping it for 2 to 3 hours to drain out the water, that's the palp I actually used. And you can see it's ready for consumption. Wow. I'll show you inside of it. You see the results, you see the outcome. Looking very beautiful. Wow, you won't believe. I don't know if you're seeing how beautiful it is. Looking very beautiful. The smell of the ginger and udon is so beautiful. Okay, bye for now. See you in the next video.